Okay, welcome to another video about doing corrections. So this time we are talking about quiz 5. Okay, so make sure you have the same worksheets or quiz with me. So let's go to part 1. It's about simple present tense, and there are some verbs that you can choose to fit into different questions. So let's go to number. I'm sure you know all the answers, right? I'm sure you know all the meanings of those great words in the box. So I'm not going to talk about it. So let's go to number 1. Question number 1. Mrs. Learn often us with our homework. She is a very kind teacher. So we try to use homework as a keyword. So do we say buy us homework? No. Do we say eat us homework? No. Have us homework? No. Help us with our homework? Yes. So Mrs. Learn often help us with our homework because it's a positive thing. We got kind. So we got positive. If you still remember the triangle, okay? However, Mrs. Learn is, so we are using another color, okay? Mrs. Learn to jot notes. Make sure you use another color to jot notes for the answer part, so I should use red here. Okay. Mrs. Learn is a woman. So this is a she. She help round. So we need to use she helps. Okay? She helps us with our homework. So, question number 2. I watch a lot of DVDs. They are too expensive. So if you say too expensive, if something related to the price and it has a negative meaning. You understand what I mean? When you say too expensive, it has a negative meaning. So let's go back to the box then. I am a lot of DVDs. No, I buy a lot of DVD. Yes, could be buy. However, we need a negative meaning this time. So let's do a triangle here to find out how to put negative meaning for buy. If buy is the positive meaning, we put a triangle. So on the right hand side is the buy, and on the left hand side is do buy. So do not buy. Do you buy is a question, but do not buy is a negative. I hope that you really remember the triangle, okay? So for question number 2, the answer is do not buy. Sam and Ted want mom to clean the flat. They are very lazy. So is lazy a good thing or a bad thing? I'm sure this is a bad thing, so I put a bracket here. I don't want it to be too messy, so I try to change the symbol, okay? So Sam and Ted want mom to clean the flat. They are mom, they buy mom, they eat mom, they have mom, they help mom, they like mom, they play mom, they practice mom, they read mom. So I guess the only possible answers is help. However, we need a negative meaning here. So I guess 1A, you can answer me the question, right? Sam and Ted is a he. When we say he, it becomes they. You understand what I mean? He becomes they. So they help, they do not help. If you still don't understand, I can say it again. This time we need a negative meaning. So we say do not help. Clear? So number 4, I like shopping with my grandpa. He always want me lots of things. So I like shopping. You like shopping. Is it like you think a bad thing? A good thing, of course, right? He always want me lots of things. He always he always buy me. Oh, I guess it should be buy, right? However, when you see he, we can't say buy anymore. I go, you go, he, she, it goes. I buy, you buy, he, she, it buys. So make sure you're using third person singular. Okay? And this time we don't say not because this is a positive word. You like shopping. Okay, so next time when you do the questions, please read the whole sentence before you do it. Don't just look at the box and then choose a word and fill in. Don't be too fast to complete the box. Okay? So go back to question number 5. My sister want meat, but she want vegetables very much. So can we highlight the word but? Oh, sorry, but forget about meat. Okay. So when do we use but? Something good, something bad, or something bad but something good. You understand what I mean? So let's look at the whole sentence. We got one more sentence to read. Her favorite dish is salad. So this is about food. Salad. Favorite. Salad. So obviously she loves vegetables, but she dislikes meat, right? So favorite is salad. Favorite is a positive word. So here, I can see that for question number 5, the second box should use a positive word. And for the first box, we should use a negative word. Do you understand what I mean? Okay? So, she want vegetables. She buy vegetables very much? No. She eat vegetables very much? No. We can't say she eat vegetables very much. We can say she eats vegetables very often. Okay, O-F-T-E-N, often. But we cannot say she eats vegetables very much. So can we say she help? No. The only answer, like. She like vegetables very much. But obviously, you know, this is a she. So we need to add s for that. She likes vegetables very much. So what about the first box? My sister meat. So this is a negative word. Can we say my sister is meat? Can we say my sister buys meat? No, could be. My sister eats meat. I think this is a more appropriate answer. My sister eats meat. However, this time we need to put a negative meaning. So let's do a triangle here. It's a triangle. So on the right hand side we put the basic form eat, and on the left hand side we put does. So for positive meaning is eats, for negative meaning is does not eat. Okay, so we change the answer. Does not eat. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. It's a little bit complicated, and the notes, I'm sorry, I don't have enough space, so it's a little bit messy. So let's go to number 6. So if you still don't understand, you can repeat the video or you may watch this question again. Okay? So question number 6. Our school was a swimming pool, but you can see but again. And also please highlight any. When you see the word any, it's either a question or a negative form. Okay? But you don't see question marks here, so this time I guess it's about negative form. Alright? So, but it was any tennis court. So our school is tennis court? No. Our school eats tennis court? No. Our school have tennis court. So, if we say this is a positive word, it's has. Okay? However, okay, let me change it. So if we say this is a positive word, it's have. However, we use the word eat here. So eat have, no. I have, you have, he, she, it, has. But this time, we need a negative meaning. So let's do a triangle again. So when we say has, try to put the original verb have, and try to give the, the second part, and that is does here. So the answer for question number 6, second part, is does not have. So I hope that you can read this triangle, and so that you know we can have the answer, so that you can know why we need to have this answer. Okay? So what about the first part? So if this is a negative one, I guess we should put a positive one here. So our school has a swimming pool. So because school here is a eat. Okay? Eat has a swimming pool. Alright, so this is not a T, this is a positive word, okay? Because we know that after but is a negative. A negative because we see any here. Number 7. John walked in the school choir. John, obviously, some people say practices, but actually practices singing in school choir. We cannot say John practices in school choir, right? Some of you in 1A just said that John practices in the school choir, but no. So you say John practices singing in the school choir. So what can we put here? John is in the school choir. He was singing every day, so this time we use practice here. But this is wrong because we got he, so practices. Clear? Easy. Number 8. Help me highlight the word anymore. If you say anymore, it's obviously a negative word. So I don't love you anymore. Okay? I don't study in Lau Pat Lok anymore. So here, so you say I watch computer games anymore. So I don't play computer games anymore. This time you directly use this color. Easy. If you still don't know why we say do not play, so let's go back to the triangle. Play, we try to put them into two parts, is do play. Make sure you remember the triangle with S and without S. Okay? 1A. Okay, so we got one more part. Instead, I bought a lot of books. Everyone got it correct, so I'm not going to spend any more time to talk about it. Read. Okay. Number 9. My brother and I quiet at all. We watch computer games noisily. When you see at all, obviously, so most of the time, you need to use negative verb, okay? So my brother and I quiet. So can we say buy quiet, eat quiet, have quiet, help quiet, like quiet, play quiet? So we say paid quietly, okay? If you use play, we say play quietly, but not quiet. But this time it's quiet, not quietly. So the answer, this is, and I can tell you this is an adjective. So my brother and I, but negative word. Are quiet? No, should be are not quiet. We watch computer games noisily. This one easy. We play computer games noisily. Number 10. My two cousins are very different because you can see the word as here. Please help me circle the word as. It's a plural. Vicky, okay, and Joe, okay. Vicky is a girl, is a she. She is very bossy. If you don't know the word bossy, that's fine. She is very, let me just randomly put a word here. Can we say she is very beautiful? Of course. So beautiful is an adjective. So bossy is also an adjective. Okay, so it is here. But Joe, what a shy personality. This time, many people just use is, but here, don't forget we got are. And personality. I hope you still understand the meaning of personality. Did we use is here? No, we use has. But Joe has a shy personality. 有一個怕醜嘅性格. Alright, oh sorry, this is the first time I speak Chinese in a video. And I rarely do it, okay? So let's go to page 2. It's about the days in the week. So we can say the first question. This is the calendar of September 2016. And the first question is, the school started on the 1st of September and it was a Thursday. Thursday. Nicky Jan's birthday is on the 3rd of September and it was a Saturday. 1A students could enjoy the holiday on 19th of September, and it was a Friday. It's Eugene's birthday on the 18th of September, and it was easy, a Sunday. The annual meeting of Full Houses was held on the 28th of September, and it was a Wednesday. Wednesday. Don't say Wednesday, okay? Wednesday. Wednesday, 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 okay? Vowel, vowel, vowel. Wednesday. When students do not have any Mr. Chan's lesson on Mondays. This time, let me highlight the word as, okay? Because we have a lot of Mondays, and on every single Monday, you will not see me teaching you. And they can only see their visual arts teacher, Chen Pui Si 老師, on Tuesdays. Again, you don't only have one lesson in the year. You have many VA lessons, and you can see Miss Chen Pui Si on every single Tuesday. We say, sorry, and you may say you will see your VA teachers on Tuesdays. Got it? Thanks for watching. Bye.